Okay, this is part 2 of my restaurant installation. If you want to look at my channel, you'll see part 1 where they wanted me to put in some type of water filtration system in this very busy restaurant in downtown Toronto for the cappuccino machines and their coffee makers. And this is what I came up with. So what you're looking at is a, what do we got here? 7-stage water filtration, which is a reverse osmosis. So I've got 2 pre-carbons, membrane. I've got a post-carbon, and I have a secondary post-carbon because I'm using a pump. And then I have for fluoride remover, and then I have a calcium magnesium cartridge to make sure the water is alkaline. And the key here is this pump and this storage tank that I've put into the ceiling, because they are going to be using an awful lot of water, because one of the water lines that I couldn't get at actually feeds a sink, cold water side. And unfortunately, the effort to try to run a separate line was just too much, because this is all, industrial stuff. And I wasn't about to try to drill any holes with any kind of commercial type of drill. So nonetheless, they'll actually have purified water in their kitchen sink as well. That's why I'm using the large tank. And by using the large tank and removing the air out of the storage tank, because they typically have air inside to push the water along, I've removed the air so you'll have more capacity in the holding tank. And this pump will actually pull the water out of the tank and then send it through one more cleaning filter, because you always put a filter after a pump. And then it will go out to the restaurant where the coffee machines and cappuccino machines are, through these water lines, which you just kind of can't see. But here is the also emergency that I've put in here. And what this is bypass valve. So in case something happens to this system where it stops producing water and the restaurant needs water, these valves, if you turn them, every one of them, a quarter turn, it'll take this system offline and to put them back into city water, so at least they'll have water flowing and doesn't interrupt their business. And that is my creation for this restaurant. So if you like this, if you're impressed with this, at least I am. And but if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thank you very much for watching.